Hi! In this tutorial video, let's learn how to set up customers' personal details in our new customer accounts page. The Personal Details section is where customers can view and manage basic account information, such as their birthday and gender. In addition, customers can also connect their social accounts, including Line, Facebook, and Google.
Before you begin, let's check your customer account settings. Go to Settings and choose Customer Accounts in your store admin. Make sure you're using the new customer accounts instead of the legacy version. Now let's learn how to set up your new customer accounts page.
Start by accessing the settings in the Akko Marketing app. Inside the Accounts and Widgets page, look for the option set up under Personal Details. Now simply click Install. Enable the Personal Details by clicking on the plus button. Now simply choose Profile. Here, customers can enter their birthday and gender. They can also log in with their social accounts such as Line, Facebook, and Google. Click Save and go to your website to see the changes. Now let's learn how to access your account page on your website. Go to your store page and click on the profile icon. Click on your initials to view your profile settings. Choose Profile from the drop-down. Scroll down to Personal Details. Your customers can view and update their personal details, such as their birthday and gender selections, and they can connect their social accounts here. Now let's learn how to customize social settings. Go back to the Akko Marketing app and scroll down to Social Account Settings. Then, click Go to Settings. If you want to control how customers input and edit their birth dates, go to the Birthday section. If you check this box, customers will only be allowed to enter their birth date once. After they save their birthday, they cannot change it later from their profile. This helps to prevent accuracy and fraud. To manage which gender options are available for customers, you can go to the Gender options. Here you will see toggles for different gender identities. You can turn on or off each gender option depending on what you want to display on the customer profile page. If you want to customize which social media accounts customers can connect to their profiles, navigate to Social Account Settings to manage the available social login options, like Google, Facebook, or Line. Now let's learn how to customize the content and languages. Scroll down to Content and Languages. Then click Edit Content. You can customize 3 languages: traditional Chinese, English, and French. Play along and customize the details in your chosen language. If you need any help, contact us at service@akkohub.com or book a 20-minute free consultation at Calendly.